She had all the burners going. In one pan she had eggs, another hash browns, bacon, sausage, and pancakes.
That's 5 pans for one meal. That one's an overnighter. Cleaning all these pans was making delicious meals a chore. To cook faster, clean less, and still enjoy a good meal. And there was. Finally, a pan emerged from all other pans. One that's skillful in the art of multitasking, proficient in the craft of conservation. A pan that would eat all your other pans for breakfast. I bring you the Master Pan. There are 5 separate compartments to cook a variety of foods. Whether you want a complete breakfast, fajitas with all the toppings, burgers with the works, or a healthy salmon dinner with vegetables, with the Master Pan, one pan fits all. Don't leave your Master Pan at home. Bring it along on family camping trips. Why nuke your leftovers when you can reheat everything all at one time using the Master Pan? It tastes better and it's much faster too. One pan, 2 minutes, and I'm done.